Airtable is a flexible no-code/low-code platform ideal for managing your inventory. It functions as a relational database with a user-friendly spreadsheet interface. Start by creating a new base. You can use a template like Inventory Management from Airtable's template gallery for a quick start. Set up your primary tables: products, stock, and transactions. Within these tables, use single-line text fields for SKUs, number fields for quantities, and attachment fields for product images. Link the tables to establish relationships between products and their stock levels. Key concepts include understanding that a base is your workspace, tables are spreadsheets, and linking these allows for relational data. This is where you will define SKUs. Use auto number fields or formulas like concatenate to generate unique identifiers. Track stock by inputting initial quantities and using number fields. Formulas are then used to calculate total inventory value. Learn how to make views and filters to check stock for items in a list or gallery format to visually track important data. Airtable's automation features can significantly streamline your inventory process. Create automations to trigger actions, such as email alerts when stock falls below the reorder point. For more complex logic, utilize scripting with JavaScript to customize actions, like updating stock automatically after a sale. Explore Airtable's integration capabilities to connect with other tools like Zapier, to link with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, allowing automatic stock updates based on order data. Or, if you have your finances set in Google Sheets, use integrations to export data. See how other companies are using the system. For example, an e-commerce startup managed 5,000 SKUs and reduced manual updates by 80% and improved order fulfillment time by 30%, all by automating low stock alerts via email and integrating with Etsy for order syncing. A manufacturing firm tracked raw materials and finished goods in linked tables, using automations to reorder supplies when stock dipped below thresholds, resulting in a 25% reduction in stockouts.